Alright guys, I'm back. Good morning, beautiful people. How are you doing? How are you doing on this beautiful morning? I'm about to do some very light makeup because I'm going to the library. And I'm gonna work on an assignment that I have that's due later. But yeah, pretty much woke up, been doing some like administrative stuff, did some work for the creative team of the church I'm on, the creative team I'm on at church, and then also did some like posting, and now I'm just like gonna do my makeup and a breakfast, make a coffee, then I will go to the library, change the scenery. It's only gonna be so long that I have a library that's like 10-minute walk for me. Oh, this is the NYX brow glue, the black, and then this is the Milk Hydro Grip. I love both of those products. So good. I used the NYX brow glue for a long time before they came out with I think, or I don't know if they always had this, but before I realized that they had like colors, I just used the clear one, and the clear one was okay. It would kind of shed, so I'd have to put like water over it. But when I saw like the black one, I was like, oh, I'm getting that, because like that's perfect, and it doesn't like have any like shedding when it looks like gluey. So I'm really happy with that. Yeah, and I've already talked about the Hydro Grip on here, I think, but it's very good. I prefer primers over powder. So. Also, I'm gonna try to edit, or maybe I'll do that at the library. I'm gonna try to edit a video. I don't know. Or I might do that here later when I get back from doing my work. Yeah, I've been trying to post on TikTok, and I'm just trying to get more into like cozy videos on TikTok, because I love like videos where they're just like school morning or like clean with me, and it's just like y'all know, if y'all know what I'm talking about, y'all know what I'm talking about. But it's like, it's basically ASMR, but sometimes it's not even ASMR. Sometimes you can't even hear it. It's just like silent ASMR where they're just throwing things, and I love that, and I'm trying to do that. So if I'm gonna be trying to film that, maybe I'll film one tomorrow when I clean. But if you guys want to see that, then go follow my TikTok at Grace Bamba, and I will be trying to become your favorite cozy TikToker. Should I put that in my bio? No. My bio is Jesus Girl on my TikTok and on my YouTube. And I want to keep it like that, because that's my main thing that I want to be posting about. And I want to get into cozy videos, but I don't want to like make that, I don't want to like take Jesus out my bio to make cozy TikToks, which is nothing wrong with that. I love cozy TikToks. Like, but that's not my main like concern. But I am gonna try to make them for y'all. I am. Okay, I feel like, should we do mascara? I don't know. I'm not feeling the vibes. I'm like feeling like no mascara. Okay. What is happening? Alright, got my water here. And go to that library. That coffee has me like alright, I'm ready to go. Let's go. Study and do some assignments.
There's orange juice in the kitchen, bought for the children. It's yours if you want it. We're just glad you could visit. Feels like I've been ready for you to come home for so long. That I didn't think to ask you where you
I'm back in my dorm. I got sushi. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Have a beautiful day, beautiful people, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
I put my face in the dust and declare your holy. This is the race I run, you're the core before me. I shall prosper.